Understanding Staff Roster, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into the meaning of the phrase, staff roster. If you're curious about workplace vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's make sense of this phrase step by step. The term, staff roster, refers to a list or a plan that shows the names of employees within an organization, along with their scheduled work hours or duties. It is an essential part of workplace management. A staff roster typically includes employee names, job titles, work shifts, and sometimes specific tasks they are assigned for a given period. It helps ensure that the workplace is adequately staffed at all times. Understanding a staff roster is crucial for both managers and employees. It helps in planning your work week and ensures everyone is on the same page regarding who does what and when. A well-managed staff roster leads to efficient work hours, balanced workloads, and can even contribute to employee satisfaction by providing a clear work schedule. That's all about staff rosters. We hope this explanation helps you understand this common workplace term better. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.